Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where power meets passion and future icons are born. If you thought muscle cars were a thing of the past, buckle up, because the 2026 Chevy Nova SS is about to change everything. The legend returns, and it's more insane than ever. Chevy just dropped a bombshell on the car world with the all-new next-generation Nova SS. Under the hood, a mind-blowing 670 horsepower V8 that takes this beast from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. This isn't just a comeback, it's a full-blown performance revolution. The design is an instant head-turner. Aggressive yet refined, it blends classic Nova DNA with futuristic lines. The front fascia is wide and low, with piercing LED DRLs and a sculpted grille that screams power. Around back, quad exhausts and a new aero diffuser give it that track-ready edge. The new color options are fire, midnight burnt orange, ice metal blue, and thunderstorm graphite. Every finish brings out the bold creases and wide stance that make this Nova SS look like it's breaking the law just sitting still. Step inside, and you're in a cockpit built for adrenaline. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber inserts, and a fully digital 12.8-inch instrument cluster surround the driver. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with tactile paddle shifters, and the sport seats hug tighter than ever. The interior's been engineered for both comfort and aggression, with ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and a high-performance Bose sound system. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates come standard. The tech package is loaded. You get Chevy's advanced performance telemetry system, launch control, adaptive suspension, and a brand new track mode with real-time G-force tracking. Safety hasn't been left behind either. Lane assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot warning, and a 360-degree camera come with every trim. Performance-wise, the new Nova SS is engineered to dominate the midsize performance segment. With a magnetic ride control system, electronically limited slip diff, and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, this thing handles corners like it's on rails and stops like it hit a wall. Chevy claims it's faster than anything in its class, and based on what we've seen, that claim holds. As for pricing, the base starts around $52,000. Fully loaded with all performance upgrades and cosmetic packages, expected to climb just north of $68,000. Compared to the competition, you're getting supercar-level performance without the supercar price tag. Chevy isn't just bringing back the Nova, they're rewriting the rulebook. Bigger, bolder, and illegally fast, the 2026 Nova SS is the king reborn. From its roaring heart to its tech-packed interior and razor-sharp design, this isn't just a car, it's a declaration of war in the performance world. Thanks for riding with us here on Ride Reviews. Hit that like button if you love the return of muscle, and subscribe for more insane reveals just like this. See you in the next one.